To understand computer memory, first let us see how we remember things. When someone tells us his or her name, what happens? We remember the name, right? So that when we meet the same person the next time, we call them by their name. So where is the name stored? It is stored in the memory of our brain. When we know something, it is stored in the memory. Similarly, if I ask you a simple question, like how much is 2 plus 2? Can you answer it now? Right, 2 plus 2 is 4. So, how did you know? You did the calculation in your brain, right? Similarly, computer needs to remember things and do some calculation or simply process. It needs a memory. So, the place where computer stores data and programs is called computer memory. Computer has two types of memory. These are primary or main memory and secondary memory. Let me explain computer memory in detail for you. The main memory is very fast and is also called random access memory or RAM. Data and instructions are stored in the main memory, from where it can be retrieved by Central Processing Unit or CPU for processing results. RAM is the memory in which all programs are stored. The speed of the computer depends on RAM. Cache memory is a memory that is a part of RAM and is very near to the processor. It is used to improve processing speed. Primary memory is limited, so to store unlimited data, we use secondary memory. Let us understand why it is secondary. Any data or program that is kept on secondary memory needs to be copied on RAM to get used by the computer. Computer cannot process data directly on secondary memory. Examples of secondary memory are floppy disk, hard disk, magnetic tapes, pen drives, magnetic bubble memories, and optical memories. It is interesting to know about computer memory. Let us also know how computer stores data in its memory. Computer stores all information in just 2 digits, 0 and 1. A single binary digit, that is, a 1 or a 0, is called a bit. A group of 8 bits is called a byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte or 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte or 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB. 1 gigabyte or 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. So, now when someone tells you that you have a 2 GB RAM, you know what it means.